So the first phase of IPL, we got to know.
We got to
Once
know
we
after.
got back home, we got to know that.
I told Doctor Archana is positive. She thought she was corona positive.
He didn't know how to put it across because it was all like it just happened and it was not.
Vijay was like, oh, don't worry. I told Doctor, we are expecting.
That's the thing.
Yeah, then she was like,
And then he learned how to tell people that we're pregnant, we're expecting.
we met through a common friend. This was quite some time back. 2010 we actually met, but we never spoke to each other.
Yeah, we
the
never
initial
liked
couple of
each
times.
other maybe in the first few times.
In fact, she was the one. So I was putting up my price.
In fact, no,
Usually.
he took my number, okay? One fine day he took my number and then he was like, he messaged saying night. The same night or maybe the next night, I don't remember, just night. Who would respond back to a message from unknown number saying night? I didn't respond. So next time he met me, he was like, oh, you have so much attitude.
I never told you I had attitude.
Oh yeah?
I knew
So
you
that's
had
how it
attitude.
started.
See, initially, of course, anyone looks at someone, they will be attracted. That is how it. That's the truth. So that's how it all started. But eventually, after knowing each other, I think we took it to the. We started knowing each other. For the first 2 years of our relationship, we knew each other so well that we fought every second day.
Yeah, every day we used
Almost
to
every
fight.
day we fought, yeah.
And we actually were there together. It was very like, when we think about it now, how we were like, we fought like mad people and we're still together. How did we even, maybe it was all destined.
Literally, it was
that's
like fights where the reasons were very funny. To be honest, the reasons were that I was not giving her enough time. One, enough time is every day I was meeting her, but enough time is like, make more time for me. Like, okay. That's actually a cute way though, but at the same
Now
time.
it feels cute. That time it was very irritating for him.
Yeah,
but
because
then
she
it
kept
was.
like, if she hangs on to something, she has to get it now. Like, that kind of a person she is. So, yeah. It's in a way, if I think of it, the first 2 years of relationship, the way we fought, I think we shouldn't have landed where we are today. But that is the whole thing. We kept going, so it just happened. Mistakes
Yeah,
happen.
after that we don't fight. Like at least after marriage we don't fight.
When and where was your first date? Hold on. You can think about it.
I know.
Yeah.
I think most of us know.
3, 2, 1.
We went to Indira Nagar Cafe.
Cafe, yeah.
That was our first date.
The last trip you two took together.
Okay,
So I
wait.
think
So this last trip is not cricket.
No.
Okay.
I think it should be Mysore.
Right? Look at this.
No, was it? I don't know. No, it wasn't.
Went out. Mysore is not outing.
Went out last, I don't know. Before marriage or it was after marriage? After marriage, I don't remember we going.
No, after marriage we have always gone to the farm and.
Yeah, we've gone to the farm
but,
and Mysore, that's it.
like Bali was the last trip what we did.
Yeah.
The one thing that Archana is craving now in terms of food or something that she's craving to eat in 3, 2, 1.
Chocolates.
Junk.
Yeah, I've seen that. Okay, hold on. KG's go-to thing to do or activity to pass time.
She knows it. I don't even have to open my mouth.
3, 2, 1.
Annoying me. What was it?
On phone.
Okay, on phone, yeah. Annoying me.
Annoying you is always. It's not my favorite pastime. It's like I'm born to do that.
The one thing that you guys have silly arguments over. One.
Giving time to each other.
Do we still fight on that?
Yes.
Oh yeah, actually, yeah.
You fought for that only.
We don't fight, we just have arguments.
No, we don't have arguments. You don't
I just
talk.
tell it and you understand. We can put it that way.
Most likely to say sorry first.
Please. How many times have you told sorry? Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, I think that. Most likely to take more time to get ready. But I've noticed one thing, you guys are so, you guys have been twinning. I mean, not now though, just
Yeah.
I was hoping you guys would be twinning. always, it's like the same color.
Actually, I was about to wear. She was like, too much, it'll become too.
No, but what actually happens is he does it deliberately nowadays. Before it used to like happen once in a while.
Nonsense!
Hello? When
Hi.
so he waits for me to finish my shower and get ready, decide on what dress I wear, and then he
So now
comes
you know who
inside
gets
just
ready?
set his hair or something, and then
Now
he
you know
like-
who gets ready quickly? In a snap?
Okay, got it. Who's the more romantic one? Any surprise thing that he's done that of late?
No, it's all about those cute small moments that actually
Hello.
matter.
After marriage, what was
Yeah,
the
my
biggest
birthday.
surprise?
Yeah, my birthday. He's never been there for my birthday. After marriage, the first birthday he was with me, and it was like he made it it was beautiful. Like,
Who's more OCD?
thank you.
Any example of that?
I like cleaning, so in the house, even in the room, even if the room is a little messy, I like keep going.
But the kitchen.
Kitchen, I'm clumsy, babe, but yeah, I do clean up. After doing whatever can't, I'll still clean up, no? But by then you will come and do all that. What can I
Yeah,
do?
he does the cooking and I have to do the cleaning. So it's like,
To plan a surprise.
he may be better. Please.
After saying my last surprise, you can't even
That
think
was the
of it.
only surprise.
Yeah, but it was like the top notch.
It took 10 years for that surprise to come.
Babe, it's
took
worth
10
it.
years.
Okay, is it worth it or no?
It was worth it, yeah. Definitely.
Says it all. Please.
Who's most likely to pamper the baby when?
Fully him, not me. I'm nowhere close.
Be the good
Yeah,
top and
yeah, definitely. I'm gonna like
No,
I
it's
am
not about good or whatever. Like, I know how temperamental she is when it comes to things. When it comes to whatever handling situation, she'll just react. So which is her.
I don't think too much. I just burst out immediately. So that's bad. That's one bad thing. But then he's very good. He has patience and he has everything.
okay,
That's not true. I don't have patience though.
actually that was my next question. Who's more patient? Who cries during a movie?
Ta-da! Any movie.
Yeah? Not Lucy.
Never. He sleeps.
I sleep if I get bored.
Okay, so the last thing I do before going to bed.
That's okay.
She uses her phone.
Something you do that annoys me the most.
Using my phone.
The one country I want to visit.
She wants to do a lot of Indian actually, not too much of foreign. She's more of Kashmir and she wants to do a lot of Gulmarg, that kind of thing.
If you had to buy one thing at a mall for me, what would it be?
Jewelry.
The one thing I dislike in people. The one quality I dislike in people. Sorry.
Dislike in people.
Easy.
You dislike a lot of things in people, baby.
Hey, that's bad. Don't do that.
No, usually like she's not very judgmental initially, but when she gets close to someone and someone doesn't respond or she hates that. A cricketer I consider as a friend.
I think Mithun. No, Mithun, yeah. Mithun.
My guilty pleasures.
Chocolates, actually.
Hey, mine, yeah.
Yeah, yours. You don't eat, he avoids basically. He likes chocolates. Once he starts eating, he can't stop.
I binge eat. So basically, that's the reason I don't eat
Pastries
chocolate.
and everything sweet. he
Anything
likes.
sweet, it's like I do have a sweet tooth, but
He just has a good control over it. He doesn't go to even just taste it.
a cartoon I used to love watching as a kid. Chanceless.
Chanceless, actually. Popeye, maybe? No?
What? She
Popeye.
got it right. Absolutely
yeah?
right. Yeah.
Wow, nice. It was a guess, actually.
Good.
I used to like Popeye, so.
Well done. The phrase I use the most.
Like, you know?
Yay!
So every interview he has to say, like, you know?
The one dish you cook, I enjoy eating the most.
More Colombo. Yeah, he likes it.
Fun it was. Did you guys enjoy this?
Did you guys enjoy? Sorry?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy? Yeah?
No, what's
This is
what's
glass.
in the glass?
What's inside the glass?
Yeah.
Tur dal.
Got the dal also right, not just any dal.
Perfume bottle.
Which one?
Salvatore Ferragamo.
Anything you want to tell about that?
I know, like, about my perfume addiction. She knows, I guess. She'll tell it better. Hey, Buddha. Small Buddha.
What is this?
Lime.
Okay, wait. I'm going to stop you at the last one.
Hey, வாப்பா வா ரொம்ப டென்ஷன் ஏத்திக்காதே வா சிச்சா
Thank you. Feels nice, huh?
No, this is
You seem
sambar.
to be enjoying it.
No?
No.
This is definitely vegetables.
Yes. Veg. Okay.
Can I taste it?
Can.
No. It become no. You can't
Taste
taste
you know
it.
that.
Yeah.
So,
You can
Smell it?
You smell.
This doesn't have any masala, no salt. This is potato.
Yeah. Well done.
Done.